All right, what's up? Different style of video. This time I'll do the kind of point of view style here, but I'll also explain what I'm doing and not just make it a silent video. So, what I'm gonna make is a affogato. Affogato is basically a shot of espresso over ice cream. And I think more specifically, vanilla bean ice cream. So we're gonna do vanilla bean ice cream in this video. But we'll start out like any other shots. Your 16 grams. Make sure we're set right there. Perfect. Not the best scale, but it's been working. It's been giving me consistent results, so we like this scale. That should be 16. Yeah, basically. We had the digits show for a second. Anyway, grind that up. Cup. All right, this is the style of cup I use for affogatos. I just think it looks cool. And I mean, you look at some pictures and they have similar cups like this for affogatos. But you can really make it in whatever cup you want to. This is just the one I use. So we'll go ahead and tamp down. All right, everything feels nice. Put it up here, and we'll go ahead and pull the shot. I'm going to pull it into this pitcher, because this cup is too small to just like have over that. So we're going to extract this. One shot is plenty. Ice cream. Like I said, I use vanilla bean for this. Another scoop. Do I want to use this style of scoop or do I want to use this one? We'll use this one. And also a spoon. Let's move that over to the side so I don't knock it over. All right, cool. Get our ice cream. Let's take like two or three scoops. Should be fine. One. Let's grab two. I'm not the best at scooping with this, but I think it'll look cooler for the thumbnail. All right, we got two. Let's try to get a third, maybe like a small third one. That's way too much. That should be fine right there. All right, cool. We got all the scoops of the ice cream there. That's you right there. We don't need you anymore. We don't need this anymore. Also, sorry if I keep saying espresso the wrong way. I keep trying to catch myself. If I say it with an X, I apologize. Here comes the good part. Make sure this is centered. That should be good right there. There you have it. Affogato. Try to get y'all a good thumbnail here. There we go. Espresso affogato. Really, really tasty. I recommend it. Yeah, give it a try. Anyway, thanks for watching.